Psalm 18:27 For thou wilt save the afflicted, but will bring down high looks. The people who are afflicted can take the affliction in two ways. Either they could grumble because of the afflictions, or they could humble. But here God says, those who humble, those who are being humbled in their lives, God will surely save them. He will never leave them to be destroyed by the afflictions. Dear people, many times we are really discouraged when we face challenges in the world, and many times we even grumble. We like a life without any afflictions. But truly speaking, the way of the Lord and the path of the Lord has got a lot of afflictions, not to destroy us, but to build us. You see, the way by which we look at things makes such a big difference in our spiritual life. When we took positively, knowing that it is being allowed by my Lord with a purpose, I'm sure there is nothing that could discourage us. Because it is true, absolutely true. God has got a purpose in afflicting us as well. So never be discouraged in the affliction, but will bring down high looks. Oh, the proud people. The high looks will always be brought down by the Lord. Let us learn to be humble, even in the midst of affliction. Let us never have a mind of grudge, but a mind of humility, knowing that God has got a purpose in allowing this affliction in me. He is a God who will never voluntarily wants to afflict us. That it's with a purpose. So never be discouraged. Go ahead. I'm sure God will help you in this. And you will be refined and shaped in His likeness. Thank you.